Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're gonna play Speedrun 4, and okay, I literally forgot that this is this. So hold on, let me change my dimensions. I have these dimensions because, guys, I'm not kidding. I literally completed the whole entire thing before already. Let's see, what is this? Learning the ooze. Oh, this one. Okay. Oh, hold on. I think I could do this one better. So look at this. I'm gonna do shift lock. Hopefully you guys don't. Look at my meme points. Look at that. That's so much. Okay. At first I didn't really know what it means, but it don't matter. Okay guys, so we're gonna be playing Speedrun 4. I know it's like an old game, but it's still fun. So if it's still fun, it's still fun. Okay, so this is easy so far. I'm not kidding, guys. I actually completed it all, but sadly, I can't do the final one. If you guys never completed it, here's always the final, the portal, but sadly, it costs 1,000 Robux. So I can't do anything about it. So Speedrun 4 is easy. I feel like it's easy because right now it's pretty much really easy. I don't know why, because I died 0 times. So I don't know how easy this is going to be for this video. I played it before. It was like a while ago. Oopsie, so I'm gonna do a shift lock, much more easier. Usually when I do speedrun, like games, like play without making videos, my keyboard on my laptop literally starts sweating. My hands start sweating. I'm not kidding, it literally starts sweating. So, let's see how far we can go. So, yeah, let's do this. Okay, I'm already on level 6. Yeah, level 6. Without dying a bit, guys. I actually have not died yet. I gotta go slow in that part. I keep looking at the leader, but I forgot not. There. Sorry about the background noise. Okay. Oh, this is Rainbow 1. Usually my sister always has struggles, so I barely have to do it. Rainbow Road. I call this one Rainbow Road, because it's kind of like Rainbow Road. Candyland should be hard, because it's like the ice creams or the gummy bears. I literally haven't died yet. This is like kind of like a long level because there's like 3 things you need to do. So let's do this. Okay. Here we go. Oh, here's more background noise about background. Okay. Usually for when I record, it's literally like so quiet, but now like it's not really quiet anymore. Because now I could talk with my mic. You guys want to know how I recorded my video and how I figured it out, it will be linked in the description. Level 9 is my favorite because it has red, aka my favorite color, and like, what is it? It's like, pretty easy. Just for me, but not for other players if you're not good at it. Okay? I literally haven't died yet, guys. This is so rare. But if you're a pro, oh, this one's like the city one. I usually, oopsies, do you want to look at that? Subscribe to Linky Box. You guys already know that probably, because you guys are true fans. You should already know that I'm a fan of Linky Box, and I got Boxy. He's just on my bed right now. Can't show it, because I want it. So, I literally haven't died yet, so I'm pretty happy. Oh, this one. Okay. Jump. Hey guys, comment down below if you completed speedrun. Well, no, don't comment below because I think I'm just gonna turn it off. But hopefully you guys completed it before, because I'll actually have every single badge. So, you guys don't see any badges because I literally did all that. Guys, I'm not literally joking. I literally completed speedrun before already. I have, oh, there's this one. It's just turquoise, so I don't like this one. I always get tricked by that. This is like a blue level, so it sometimes gets me confused. So. I literally haven't died yet. Oh no. I'm literally about to die. Okay. Usually my cousin and me always do Discord calls like every weekend. She was literally on, but there's a piggy video. Yeah, she joined. And then, like two of my friends joined, but I can only tell you that one of them is my cousin. So if you guys know who she is, you should know, right? But no, my first no, guys, that's my first death in the video. I literally have the worm. See how good? It's really beautiful. That was literally the first death in this video, guys. No, I always get stuck with them. I know I'm not really a popular YouTuber, guys, but I'm literally trying. No! Are you freaking kidding me? 2 deaths already. It's not really much, but so guys, you guys know that on one of the videos, I forgot which one, I said that if I get 10 subscribers, I will do a special video. I only need a couple more subscribers, but I need a few more people to subscribe to see the special video, because I might do a sneak peek of it, but no, I'm not going to, because I don't know if I should. I don't want to give any spoilers. So I only got 1 subscriber. Oh, come on. Dang it. I only got an extra subscriber since. So I'm going to be trying to post often. You guys already know. But when I have like my free time, I'll do it. Well, let's not even count the deaths anymore. If you guys want to, you can, but I think I only got 3. Some, like, usually they're so easy, but I didn't really die a lot. Ooh, this one is a fun one. I like going in the little igloos. Okay. I hate these railing ones. I don't like them. And jump. Okay. Jump. No. Dang it, died again. If I went onto, like, the stone, I'd be able to, but don't. But it's not. No! Come on, keep dying. This one, I always die on this one, but I think I'll be okay. I don't even have a lot of death. And okay. Okay guys, a bit of silence for things, but whatever. There's a little background noise. And stuff. Okay, almost made it. I haven't really gone a lot of depth. That's nice. So I'm almost there to 18 that I don't like. Oh, okay, yeah, never mind, I'm right here. No, okay. I don't like this one because you're gonna fall into the cracks and there's like literally nowhere to go. And so you just have to, yeah. Yes, okay. Ugh. Oh. Hands are sweating. Okay, so we're almost done with the video, but oh. So, oh my goodness, I hate that. Videos will end soon, but not exactly now, so we're gonna try to complete this level, but I just don't like this one. Okay. So, okay, I know it's glitching, okay. Guys, I literally just, literally just want to complete this level and then like the video's gonna be over, guys, so that's it. Like each time like the levels get longer and kinda like harder, but I don't even like this one. It's like see like look, okay guys. I'm sucking so bad now. I'm getting so many deaths. Okay, I'm gonna see like how good it is when I do the worm over there. It's kinda weird, but whatever. Okay guys, so we're back at this part. Okay. No. Okay, hold on. I need to stop. Oh, okay. I'm almost there. Okay. Yes, okay guys. I did it. I'm gonna make it. Please make it. Huh. I remember I already gained a star, but okay. Yay, guys, I made that. So, oh, I can't get up. Kidding me. So, one. Oh, okay. We're gonna try to do one more level for the video ends. In the beginning, it was like so good at the start, and then like when it comes to 18, I don't like it. Or like the technology level, whatever you guys call it. Okay, so this one's pretty fun. Play with snow, but this one like there's like a puzzle. Okay, okay guys. So this is going to be the end of the video. So I went pretty far. But let's see what level I'm on. So guys, I'm on level 18, so that's gonna be the end video. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. So yeah, bye guys.